Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can join the Frostbore butterfly event in Heartopia. So the Frostbore butterfly event is a key part of the winter frost season, and you don't want to miss out on these crystalline beauties. So here I'm going to show you exactly how you can start the quest and where to find every rare variant. So to start the joining the event, you can start your own, or you can also join if you are invited by others. So I here join this event by because I invited by other players, and in here you just need to use your tools to capture the butterflies, and in here you just need to try to catch as many as insects or butterfly here. So for personal goals you need to catch 10 insects, and for team goals you need to catch at least 50 insects together. And in here I catch some of them, and I also catch the Frostbore butterfly. And here let me show you how. So you just need to follow the butterfly. If you see the rare butterfly, you just need to try to catch it, like the one with blue color or red color, just like that. So that's all from me. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.